It can start with a simple mistake, but every second counts when your files are on the line. The most valuable asset of being a photographer or filmmaker is the footage we capture because without it, there's nothing to edit, and nothing to deliver, and no story to tell. These files are the foundation of our work. But here's the harsh reality: no storage device is 100% reliable. No matter how good your gear is, at any moment you could lose everything. It might be a file you accidentally delete, or maybe you format a hard drive thinking you have already backed it up, but you haven't. Or worse, maybe your SD card gets corrupted, your drive fails, your power cuts out during a transfer, or your system gets hacked. And suddenly everything's gone. That's why in this video, I want to show you a tool that every photographer and video editor should have in their kit. Wondershare Recoverit version 13.5. It's a powerful data recovery tool that can help you rescue lost files, photos, videos, raw files, project files from almost any storage device. And trust me, it has saved me more than once. Let me walk you through how it works and why it might just be the backup plan you didn't know you needed. Like many of you, I shoot everything to HD cards, whether I'm capturing stills in RAW or filming 4K video, and then I transfer those files to hard drives for editing in Lightroom, Photoshop, DaVinci Resolve, or Premiere. But during the shoot, there's no backup. It all sits on one card. If that card fails or the footage is deleted before a transfer, the entire session is gone. Weddings, events, commercial shoots, you can't just reshoot those. Even external hard drives, which we rely on for storage, aren't immune. First of all, you can scan your device for free. No upfront purchase required. This means you can see if your files are actually recoverable before spending a dime. That's huge. Recoverit works on SD cards, USBs, SSDs, internal hard drives, external storage, even NAS systems, and supports over 2000 types of devices and 1000 plus file formats. For photographers, that includes raw formats like CR2, ARW, NEF, ORF, and more from all the major camera brands. For video editors, it handles MP4, MOV, MXF, ProRes, and even project files. Recoverit also supports real-world data loss scenarios like accidental deletion, disk formatting, system crashes, corrupted partitions, virus damage, and even file loss after a power outage. What really stood out for me was the enhanced photo and video recovery. It's designed to go deeper and recover files that are hidden, deleted, or damaged, even 4K and 8K footage with no quality loss. It can even recover raw videos and footage from car cams, drones, surveillance systems, and more. Perfect if you're working with action footage or documentary style projects. Here's how easy it is to use. Step 1. Download Wondershare Recoverit from their website and install it. Once you launch it, it will automatically detect all connected storage, SD cards, hard drives, internal drives, everything. Step 2. Click the device you want to scan. Recoverit will start with a quick scan and if needed, move into a deep scan. This might take a few minutes depending on how much data is on the drive. As it scans, you'll see a preview of your files. Pro tip: make sure to check the left-hand panel where it says Lost File Location. A lot of files get listed there that might not show up at first glance. Once you have found your files, click Recover and choose a different destination, not the same drive you are recovering from, to avoid overwriting anything. If you have ever been in that sinking moment thinking you have lost days or weeks of work, this is the kind of tool that gives you a second chance. As a photographer and editor, I put so much effort into capturing great images and footage, but at the end of the day, none of that matters if I can't access the files. Wondershare Recoverit gives me peace of mind, and for me, that's worth it. So, if your lost files or just want to be ready before something goes wrong, click the link in the description and try out Wondershare Recoverit. Scan your devices, see what you can get back, and protect the work you have worked so hard to create. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you ever lost important footage or photos? What did you do? I'll see you in the next one, and until then, keep creating, and remember to back up your files.